Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to insert a clip into between these two clips. It's actually very simple, and first thing you need to do is make sure you have two clips right here and one clip right here. So import your clips if you haven't already, and then basically move this clip out of the way and move second clip so you can make enough space for the other clip, because if you don't make enough space, when you try to drag it in, as you can see, and when you release, it will cut out of your clip. So Command Z to turn it back and make sure you have enough space here between these two clips. Then basically drag this clip to the first one and drag this clip to the second one. And voila, now you have inserted successfully the third clip in between these two clips. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.